Hey guys, so I received my Ecoflow lawn sweeper kit finally, and I am ready to do the unboxing on this. So let's go ahead and get started. The instructions, who needs that, right? I'm gonna put that to the side, and I'm gonna take this out of the box. It's not that heavy. It comes in two different parts apparently, so let's see what they are. Okay, so I see that it has a power connection. You can see it, but that's how it looks like. So I'm going to put the rubber back. And then, so there's a screw in there, which looks like it is used to secure it to the Ecoflow blade. These rubber brushes here, they rotate and kicks up all the leaves and small twigs, and then dumps it into the canister. Alright guys, so I'm going to now take out my Ecoflow blade and then show you how it looks with this attached to the back of it. So stay tuned. This is how it looks with the sweeper attached to the Ecoflow blade. It looks really cool. As you can see, it's attached over here. I'm gonna remove this so that way you can see how it's attached. You have to just be careful because there's pins on the other end. The pins on the male side have to fit into the female end of the wire, which is this. And there's a notch. The notch here, as you can see, is pointed toward the bottom. So you have to plug it in with the notch pointed toward the bottom. So that way the pins don't get bent or broken. And when you attach it right here, and you lift it up and you remove it. The screw that I showed you earlier goes into this. It's pretty sturdy, it's aluminum. And then once you attach it, you just screw it on like so. Nice and tight. Once the receptacle is full, all you have to do is push this button, remove it, dump it, and then slowly insert it back in here and click it back in like so. Alright, so that's pretty much it. I'm going to now set all this up, and stay tuned for the next video, which I will show you the performance of this crazy looking robot sweeper slash mower. If you guys like this video, please don't hesitate to give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss out on the latest and greatest gear that's coming out in the future. Also, I provided an affiliate link below in the description box, so if you guys decide to buy it, please use my affiliate link so you can give me a little bit of commission, and also it could help me promote my new channel. With that being said, thank you for watching my video, and I hope you guys stay safe and take care.